Sometimes, in the course of making drawings of assemblies, we might want to show how a certain component can be assembled in a different location. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make use of the alternate position view tool in Solidworks drawing to do that. In this assembly, the green cylinder has 3 possible locations. To that end, I have created 3 configurations. In each of these configurations, the other 2 cylinders have been set as envelopes so that they do not appear in the drawing. If you are interested in how to use envelopes, please refer to my earlier video on display states versus configurations. So once the configurations have been created, let's head over to the drawing where I have created 2 isometric views. In these 2 views, the cylinder is in block A. Now, I want to show the 2 alternative locations in each of these 2 views. Start the alternate position view tool. Click on the first isometric view. Since we have already created the configurations, we will be choosing from the existing configurations drop-down menu. Selecting position B and exiting, we can see that a cylinder with dashed lines appears at block B. Repeat that for block C.